Who doesn't love fall stickers? If you're a planner, you probably enjoy making fall planner spreads as much as I do. It's my second favorite season for planning after summer because those cozy, warm fall spreads are everything. I love live.love.posh stickers, so let's take a look at the new Chic Fall sticker book launching on Tuesday, August 15th at 1 p.m. Central Time. If you wouldn't mind using my affiliate link, that would be awesome. I'll put it in the description box. If you're new here, my name's Mary Ellen. I teach you how to plan in creative and functional ways, and I also do flip through videos of really cute products. So let's take a look at this sticker book. On the first page, we have this adorable fall bucket list. We have bonfire night, hang a wreath, spicy manicure, wow, cup of tea, apple picking, movie marathon, start a book, carve pumpkins. You guys, oh my gosh, I'm ready for fall. I don't know. I love summer, but fall has my heart. It's been my favorite season since I can remember. I just love it so much. And I also love these sparkles. Like, I love sparkle stickers. And these washi tape strips at the bottom are everything. One of the things I love most about live.love.posh's sticker books is that she uses every spare area on the page for a sticker. So you really get your money's worth. They're just chock full of stickers on each page. Love that. No wasted space. So you get 2 of these. I think you're gonna get 2 of each page because that's usually what happens in these sticker books. I love that. You don't waste your favorite stickers. Not that it's a waste, but if you're like hoarding it, you don't have to worry. You have another page. I love it. And I'm sorry, if you're new here, I tend to make these flip throughs a little bit, I don't know, personal. But I love it because I make Patreon spreads for my Patreon members. So I get 2 pages, one for me and one for them. So I can still use my favorite stickers for them and for myself. Love it. Look at these. These are so cute. These long, big washi tape strips. You can make a whole spread just with those, a fall washi tape spread. We have some pumpkins, some apples, all the fall things. So this second page is on clear. Now we have some fall type flowers. We get 2 pages of these, one on paper and one on clear. And then this one's on paper, pumpkins, some neutral florals. This one's on clear. Next theme is some bright colored Halloween goodies. We have a bunch of books with all sorts of titles. Live.love.posh's stickers are always really, really detailed. So like this is a spooky season bucket list and you can actually read it. It's so small. So I can't read it now because I don't have my readers on, but you know what I mean? So cute. So you get 1 of those and this next one is paper as well. Look at these little Polaroids, little Halloween Polaroids. Oh, a puppy coming out of a pumpkin. We'll call him Paul because, you know, he's popping out of the pumpkin. Pumpkin, puppy, Paul. Look at these candy corn. So cute. I'm team candy corn. Are you guys? I'm definitely team candy corn. I know you either love it or you hate it. I'm a candy corn lover since I was a little girl. That says, stay spooky, join us for a spooktacular Halloween party. We have a little like invitation there. So cute. Look at those little guys, little cone guys. That's cute. Some Halloween treats, a whole bucket of candy spilling all over the place. I do not envy the person who has to clean that up. But since it's a sticker, we don't have to worry about that. You get 2 pages of those on paper. These are on paper, bats among the flowers and pumpkins. My daughter Kaylee is obsessed with bats. She would love this page. I'll have to make her a bat spread this year. Like make it in honor of her, right? Because like she loves bats so much. I probably have enough bat stickers. That was on paper. This is on clear. These watercolory pumpkins are really cute. Okay, so now we have a page that's going to go with the other page, does it? Yeah, it goes with that one. We have some addition of green in here. And I just love purple and green and orange and black spreads, right? We have some spiders in this one. Not a fan of those, but it is Halloween, so I'll accept it. some spider webs for them to live on, and some witchy hats. 1 page of paper and 1 page of clear. And then it goes right into lots of orange, lots of leaves. These are on paper. We have some pies. This is good for Thanksgiving spreads or anytime really. You can eat pumpkin pie all year round, honestly, but I love this page. We have another one on clear. I gasped. When I gasp, you know it's good. Gasp is such a hard word to say, by the way, but when I gasp, pay attention, you guys. These women are amazing. Look how pretty they are. They're like all in their fall apparel. They're all orangey and browns, oranges and browns and yellows. They're really pretty, very fashionable. I certainly don't look like that in the fall, but I could try. And then, so we have 1 on paper and 1 on clear. And then we have some little Halloween scenes. Not Halloween, fall scenes. Like, look at that. That's so pretty. We have a little houses and inside the houses. Very cozy sticker book. We have another page of those on clear. Okay, so a bunch of trees here and 1 crooked house. That's what I mean. Live, Love, Posh, like, fits stickers in. You know what I mean? She wanted to put a house in there. She did. And it's crooked. I love it. And then we have 1 on clear. By the way, can I just talk about these? They're going to be perfect for fall spreads. Perfect. If you're on a no spend right now, you might consider breaking it for a good fall sticker book. Oh my gosh, I'm such an influencer. I'm sorry. But I just can't control the fall stickers. Don't go bankrupt for stickers, but man, this is cute. Okay, so we have a lot of colorful leaves here. 1 on paper, 1 on clear. By the way, this sticker book is awesome because it's extra thick. It's like a double sticker book. A Thanksgiving page. At least it says Happy Thanksgiving up here, but honestly, it's giving Halloween. Look at this striped sticker. I'm in love with that. That's honestly gorgeous. I just love stripes. I love bright colors, so that appeals to me. Oh my gosh, I just had a major coughing fit. So major that it actually made me stuffed up. So gross, but probably relatable, I think. I don't know. What the heck happened? I don't know. Anyway, this page is bright and cute. I love the cupcakes. Love that little fall outfit. Coffee mugs, all sorts of stuff. So you get 2 pages of paper for that one. This one matches I Want That Bag. Jessica, where did you get that bag? I know it's a sticker, never mind. And it has a matching planner, matching journal. Pumpkin spice mug. We've got little silverware collection there. Honestly, every time I open these sticker books, I find more things I didn't see before, like little details. It's very fun. 2 pages of that on paper. This page is a little more traditional in that, I don't know, it just feels more traditional to me. We have a couple of boxes. They have paper in the middle, like the whole thing. It's in there. Oh my gosh, what am I saying? You know what I mean. You can write in it, you guys. And then some corner florals, some side florals, 2 pages of paper ones there. These are gonna match. Wait, did I miss a page? No. These are gonna match though. These are on clear, 2 pages on clear with pumpkins and florals. Ooh. This is a funky kind of retro fall page, right? You've got, look at dragonflies, snails, and mushrooms. So cute. These hearts match that bag and the planner, right? These dragonflies are really cute. I don't like dragonflies when they're flying in my face, but looking at them is beautiful. 2 pages of those on paper, and then really pretty big florals here. I like these kind of florals better. Everyone's so different in their taste. You know, some people like the more realistic florals or the more like traditional florals. I like the whimsical ones. These aren't super whimsical, but they're definitely a little more unrealistic than realistic, right? I think. But 2 pages of those, very pretty colors. This is sort of different with blue and green pumpkins and blue and green flowers. 2 pages on clear. Then we have a page with a different, like there's a lot of different color palettes in here. So this page is different too. I love this fall with like that floral background. And this banner is so cute. I love the little plaid one combined with the flowers. Totally my vibe. We have a little house down here. Really pretty florals here. Some sweaters. 2 pages on paper. Ooh, look. Little strips. So that one is like that. And then these are set. Oh, look at it. It's a little one. Look at that. Look how small that is. I wasn't expecting that. It shocked me. It shocked me. You get like one this thickness and then a very skinny one. Oh, you get for each one, I think. Wait, not for this one. Yes. Okay. So you get like a skinny one of each of these and then like a thicker one. That's cool. Lots of florals here. They kind of match those other florals, which is nice. 2 pages on paper. Neutrals. You see what I'm saying? The color palettes shift in these sticker books, and I'm all for it. Because nobody wants the same thing all the time. You don't always want like orange and brown and yellow fall spreads. You don't always. Sometimes you want to like tone it down or bring different colors in. So this is very neutral for those of you who love that neutral vibe, especially in autumn. We have that book. I bet you if I looked really closely, I could even read that writing, but let's be honest, I'm not going to do that right now. It's too much. Maybe if I make a spread out of it, I'll try. Anyway, cute little tray full of fall goodies, some very neutral flowers, 2 pages of that. That's a sweater pumpkin. That's pretty cool. There's always a lot of books in Jessica's sticker books. I guess Jessica is a reader probably, right? I would think. Very neutral florals here. Bigger flowers, always a fan of that. Love those brown leaves at the top. 2 pages of those. Okay, so now you're going to get boxes to match and headers and bullet points and all that jazz. To-do list strips, perfect. I love when a sticker book combines box stickers with the other stickers because you can just grab this and make a full spread. You don't have to worry. You get 2 pages of those, lots of oranges and yellows and pinks and reds and purples. Gonna match all your spreads. And this one's pretty. Look at that. Okay, now we have 1 page of clear quotes for fall. Hello, fall. Thankful sweater weather. I love fall most of all. Fall is my favorite. Fall is in the air. It's fall, y'all. Fall is my favorite color. All the fall stickers. So you can add those quotes in there in the different spaces in your spread. Love this new sticker book. Again, it is called Chic Fall. And my affiliate link will be down in the description box. Appreciate it when you use that. Oh, also, I want to show you one more thing. They sent me a cover. And this is going to be releasing on the same day, which is Tuesday, August 15th at 1 o'clock Central Time. This is so cute. So I have one of these. Let me show you the one I have. I have this in white. It's on my planner right now. I love this because it has like a pocket in the front. I mean, I don't typically use a pocket, but if you're someone who's on the go with your planner, this is perfect. These planner covers come in a bunch of sizes. It has like credit card slots or sticker slots or whatever you want there. And it's like puffy. It's squishy, which I love. I just love like how it feels. I'm someone who is very big on like tactile stuff, and the way things feel is important to me. And this feels good. It's also like heavy. It's really nice quality. And the one that Jessica sent me is for a big happy planner. And I'm sure it comes, like I said, in the other sizes, but I'm going to be using this puppy. But right now I'm using this one because it feels good. I love the white. I also have it in a classic pink one, which is really pretty. So I'm a big fan of these Croc covers. Oh, and it came in this cute little bag. Look at that, like this little canvas bag. I love it. I have several of these bags that I use for different stuff. Okay, so that is all I have for you. I just wanted to show you this before it releases. I will try to do a spread with this before the release. I can't promise it. Also, I feel weird doing fall spreads right now, but I might do one for like the future. I love that when I make a spread for a few months in advance or something, and then I turn the page and my spread's already made for me. I'm like, oh, what a nice surprise, you know? So sometimes it's fun to do that. I don't like to plan in advance. I'm not someone who is into that because styles change and plans change and all of that. But once in a while, I will do one spread months in advance so that I can surprise myself. So I may be doing that for this. Stay tuned for that. But let me know in the comments what you think of this new sticker book. I think it's just so fun and cute. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.